Hey, 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 what's up, y'all? It's Letitia with Barefoot Gardening. I hope that you're doing well. It has been a minute, ain't it? I know. Y'all know my story, but I do miss y'all, and I'm so sorry that I haven't been able to get on here a whole lot, but I am excited. It is October the 2nd, and I'm going to harvest my first crop of sweet potatoes. Now, do I know there's sweet potatoes in this container? Yes, I do, because they're bulging out. Okay, so I'm excited to show you all. Now, I just reused some reusable grocery bags, and just to test, experiment, to see if I can get something to grow. Do I have to, and the whole thing about purchasing stuff, do you have to spend all this money to garden? It really is your preference, but you can use a lot of stuff that's just around the house to garden. So I just wanted to prove that point to myself, and I hope that you all will consider it as an option to grow food. So I use these reusable grocery bags, and so I'm going to cut some of these vines back if I have to, and then I'm going to pull the grocery bags out. So yeah, just bear with me. Hope that you can see everything as I go. Okay, well, the first thing I'm noticing is that the bag is tearing up. It's coming apart just a bit. So I'm going to use both hands to try to pick it up. Okay, and what I'm also noticing is the roots have actually went through the bag and into the ground. So I have sweet potatoes in the ground. Okay, so let me cut some of this back, and I'll show you what's in the bag first. This is so cool. Sorry about all the crazy. Give me 1 second, I'll show you. Look at there. Sweet potatoes. This is so cool. Look at how big. Okay, I'm gonna dump it out here. See how the bag is falling apart? But you can grow in these. I'm not gonna be able to reuse this anymore. And you can see the root was coming out. I kind of broke something. I broke the sweet potato. I can see it there. But let me just pour this out. Look at that. See how it was coming through the bag? Oh, this is so much fun. Look at this. So yeah, it's at least one time I can use it. But yeah, it's trash. But look at here. Look at this. Okay, got a lot of creepy crawly things. Unfortunately, what I'm seeing is this is the biggest sweet potato, but there are maggots or some sort of something crawling in there. So let me see if I can. It's not maggots. It doesn't look like maggots. It looks like something else. But yeah, it's inside the potato. Wow. Let me see if I can get a little closer. Y'all see him crawling out there? See him crawling out of the hole? Yeah, they're all inside. Not sure what that is. Doesn't look like maggots. It looks like some type of other, I don't know. And so let me see if I could just pick this up here without getting bit by something. But this is a gigantic sweet potato. I just wanted to see if you could see those little, yeah, there are holes everywhere. So I probably won't be able to eat this one, but it's huge. Let me Whoops, zoom out just a bit. Oh, I wish I had a scale, y'all, to weigh it, but I don't. Look at that. It's huge. Okay, so there's one sweet potato. And then here's another nice sized one. Look at that. I don't see any holes in this one. So, yeah, we may be able to eat this one. And then I have some small ones here. 1, 2, 3. 3 small ones. So overall, I am so pumped up about this. What type of little varmint is this? Hold on. Some of them are crawling around in the dirt. I wanted to see if I can get one close to the camera. Yeah, it's kind of hard, but they're all in the soil. Just because I tipped over the sweet potato. But yeah, isn't that dope? So I'm so excited. Let me get the second bag and I'll show you what's in that. Okay, so here is the second reusable bag. It's falling apart. Don't see any roots coming out of the bottom or anything, but let's just dump it over and see what's going on. It doesn't actually feel heavy at all, so we'll see what has happened. Okay, so it's everything out, and get you a little closer so you can see here. Okay, well, there are a few little tubers, just a few. So another month or so, maybe a couple weeks, I don't know, 3 weeks or so. It might have been a little bit bigger, but that's pretty much all I see. And then this guy, which doesn't look edible at all. Just looks like it was splitting open, like something was trying to get at it. I don't know. Isn't that interesting? But that's it. Oh, there's another little guy. A few little tubers. Okay. Oh, here's another guy. Okay, well, that's it for the first harvest. That's pretty dope. Let me get all these out of dirt so you can actually see them in comparison to one another. 1 second. Actually, before I do that, let me get the ones out of the ground. So there's nothing but wood chips underneath this. So we'll see what we have. I hope I don't tear anything up. Let's see. Oh, wow. There's some back here as well. Okay. It's not easy to pull out. 1 second. Oh. I'm getting attacked by mosquitoes. Hold on a second. I'm just digging a little bit deeper to see if there's anything else in there. Nope. There's a root. I don't think there's anything. in there. Okay, perfect. Look at those wood chips, how they've broken down. Wow. Yeah, I'm getting tore up by mosquitoes, guys. I don't think I see anything else right now. Whew. Boom. From the ground. That's so dope. All right. So here you go. My first sweet potato harvest. And I used reusable grocery bags, okay, to grow these in. I'm so excited. That one sweet potato is a whopper. I am just blown away by how big that got. Here's this little white stuff. Look at these little white. Let me see if I can get it closer. You see them crawling there? Not sure what that is. What kind of larvae that is. But anywho, by far, this is so much better than I thought. And I'm excited to see what's to come in the big black totes that I have. They're 17-gallon totes. So I may actually give them a few more weeks. Maybe one more week. I don't know. Let's see if I can just keep myself from touching them. But I will come back and let you all see that when I harvest from the big black plastic 17-gallon totes. Thank you all for watching so much, and I love y'all. Bye.